that led to an evening.
Where are you from? I'm from Jamaica. You don't hear my accent?
A mistake he'd regret.
She's not going to be eligible to file for you. What do you mean she can't file for me? She American citizen. She born here.
I know you feel me have to marry to nobody forget no green card.
You're not going nowhere. You didn't ask me. You're sitting here talking to other females when you're supposed to be working?
No, please support me, please.
You know what? I got food with me. I'm gonna need you to do me a favor.
Yeah, no, my fight.
You better win.
From the director Cleon James, featuring Missy Wave LG.
He said he want to come here and get a good start. But this right here, it don't look like a good start to me.
Nothing word having never come easy.